Hey, Algebra 2 kids, this is Dr. Callahan for week 12 Tuesday. How are you guys doing? Go ahead and pause the video and answer the following 3 questions for your warm-up. All right, so last class, if you're curious as to what we did, if you were not here, this is what we worked on. We worked on a solving radical equation maze where we started off right here, and then we ended over here. We went through a variety of different questions over here, and so we went over several of them in class. And so if you are not here to watch that, make sure you view week 12 Monday's video on the YouTube channel. So that way you get all the materials that you need for this. But essentially we went over this and you create the maze itself and you basically end over here. And this is actually the path of what it should look like from week 12 Monday. And then afterwards, I had you guys take an assessment. This is a QR code. This is the link for it. So if you need to go ahead and type it in, make sure you be careful with the capitalized letters and the lowercase letters. Once you go ahead and go on to that, this is what it looks like. And it just says solving radical equations. Make sure you type in your email or your name, and then it's multiple choice. And there are 10 questions. And then lastly, just hit submit. For your week 11, you guys have, or so, excuse me, for your week 12, your math Excel is already open for you guys. So you're welcome to go ahead and do that. And so today is week 12, Tuesday. We're supposed to start function operations according to your calendar, but we're just a little bit behind. So we're going to do another day on solving radical equations. This is kind of the breakdown of what you need. You need to have your solving radical equations following a video that I'm going to share with you guys. So your sub should have passed out the worksheet for you. Now, last time I did say the worksheet was exactly the same as the back of the maze, but I changed my mind. It's not. So it is a separate worksheet that your sub should have passed out to you guys. And it is going to look like this. So this is the first page of your guided notes. And then this is the back page. So it's just one sheet of paper, front and back, that you should have gotten from your sub. If you didn't, make sure you go up to your sub and ask them for it. And now once you get this, you're going to go to this link right here. It's the video that will go over the front and back of this. And you can also use the QR code right there as well with your cell phones. But the link looks like this. It's also posted on Teams. And so if you guys go ahead and click on that, which you cannot click, but I can click here, it looks something like this. If it started in the middle, make sure you start from the very beginning. And it starts right here, continues on. It's going to show you what to write down. It's 28 minutes. And then you continue on with this with the first example. And then lastly, it kind of ends right here on a little bit of a writing. This is why does a graph y equals square root of x behave in the way that you are seeing. And the correct answer for that is on the video itself. So for those of you guys on Zoom, this is kind of what it looks like. And so it's 28 minutes. Make sure you turn in the worksheet to your sub at the end of class. So this is your front page, and then this is your back page, and you should be ending with this. Now, if you're done watching the video, you can go ahead and go back to your assessment to complete the assessment if you haven't done so already. And then if you're finished with the assessment, then I suggest you go to week 12 of your math Excel and then start working on that. All right, you guys, that is basically the end of this. And I will see you guys on Wednesday, in which case we will start with this part right over here. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Take care.